Hello, everybody. My name is Mr. Baez. I'm one of your librarians here at Newburgh Free Academy, and this video is all about your class schedule. So we're going to cover some basic information that you need to know to get started here at the school. All right. So in this video, we're going to talk about schedule basics. We're going to talk about lunch and study halls, A and B days, bilingual courses, half semester courses, and changing your schedule. So the first thing you're going to want to know is the schedule basics. So the school day at NFA Main and NFA North, both the Main and the North campuses, runs from 7:10 a.m. to 2:18 p.m. And the school day is divided into 9 44-minute blocks called periods. Each period is a class, and you have 4 minutes to get from one class to another. So this is the bell schedule of the day. You can see the schedule for a regular day here starting at 7:10, the 44-minute period, and also you'll see that the next period starts 4 minutes later. That's the 4 minutes you have to get to your next class. And then you can see the 2-hour delay schedule. The 2-hour delay schedule is for if we have snow or something like that, some sort of weather event, and we need to come in late to school. This is the bell schedule that we would follow for that day. Some more basics about the schedule. First period is when the school makes announcements, and those announcements generally consist of important events, information about sports and after school activities. So it's definitely important to arrive to school on time and arrive to your classes on time because the announcements are given again at the beginning of the school day, the beginning of first period. So you need to make it there on time. Also, you need to make it to each of your classes on time because if you don't make it there when the bell rings, your teachers might mark you tardy or absent, or you might actually get locked out of your classroom. So you definitely want to make sure to get to all of your classes on time. Okay, next thing, we're going to talk about lunch and study halls. So lunch is served periods 4 through 8 in the school day, and there are 3 cafeterias in our school, A, B, and C. And all of those cafeterias are located on the first floor. So cafeteria A is for ninth graders, cafeteria B is for 10th graders, and cafeteria C is for 11th and 12th graders. So depending on which grade you're in, that's the cafeteria that you will be in, or the cafeteria that you're assigned. There are also classes called study halls that you might have on your schedule. And so those classes are for doing homework or for studying. And during those classes, you're assigned to go to the cafeteria. If you want to come to the library, you have to ask for a pass in the cafeteria. And once you get the pass there, you can come up to the library. Alrighty, A and B days. So the school day or the school days alternate between an A and B day schedule. So if Monday is an A day, Tuesday would be a B day, Wednesday would be an A day again, and it would keep going back and forth. This is only for classes that are not taken every day. So, for example, physical education is only attended every other day. The day you don't have physical education, you have to attend another class or you might have a lunch or study hall. So, every day during first period, the announcement will say whether that school day is an A day or a B day. So, again, you definitely want to make sure you're paying attention during announcements so you know if it's an A or a B day and you know which classes you need to go to that day. So here we have an example of a schedule, and you'll see one period that has a different class on A days and B days. You see living environment here, there's a lab, and that's a class that's on an A day, and this student on B days, period 2, has a gym class, a team sport class. You'll also notice when they have lunch here, it indicates the cafeteria that the student is in. So this student, 7th period, has lunch and they are in cafeteria C. So they are either in 11th or 12th grade. Okay, bilingual and half semester courses. So if you are a student who is learning English, some of your classes will be bilingual classes and you will have instruction in Spanish. However, some of your courses will only be in English. So some classes don't run the entire year, they're for only half a year. And that means there are some classes that only run from September to January, and other classes that run from January to June. At the end of each quarter, the school sends grades home for parents to see how you're doing in school. All right, changing classes. So if for some reason you need to change your schedule, your classes are assigned based on the classes you've already taken at your previous school and which classes you have left until graduation. If for some reason you need to make a change to your schedule, you have to go to your guidance counselor. So you would go to the guidance office or the counseling office on the first floor of the school, and you could make an appointment with them, or you could send them an email to set up an appointment, and you'll speak with your guidance counselor to make any changes you need to your schedule. And that's everything for today. So good luck getting started at NFA Maine. Again, my name is Mr. Baez, and I am one of the librarians here. If you have questions, I'm present in the library to help with whatever you need. Good luck, everyone.